This is another blast from the past showing a few very small changes made to the van.
Hi everyone, this is Bruce and Jan. One of the things I want to show you is where we put our camp chairs when we're moving. We put them on the ledge here. That way they're handy for us to get to when we want them. And they're out of the way the rest of the time. Another one of the changes I made is I put a tension bar that you would put curtains on up above the window there. And I hang my hats up there. Well, my hat and Bruce's hat. Then we also have the bag over on the side that's hanging from there to keep our trash bags in. When we put the wood down, we have about a foot here of extra that the mattress doesn't cover. But we make good use of it. Here's my clothespin and laundry line, my snacks, because they just take up too much room in my little kitchen. We just had supper and this was left over and keep it for another day. And our bread, we leave our bread up here. You will go to put it in the kitchen, it gets squashed. Speaking of the kitchen, Bruce put in some eye bolts for me, and we put bungee cords here so that we can keep the stuff from falling out when we open the doors, which we've had a problem with.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.